The packaging used to secure hazardous materials during transport typically contains markings and labels to indicate that it contains a hazardous material. The purpose of marking and labeling is to communicate the hazards and risks of the materials being transported to anyone who could potentially be exposed to them. The term marking refers to the placement of required information on the outer package containing the hazardous material. This typically includes a proper shipping name, identification number, a specification or UNPOP mark, and any other required information, instructions, or cautions. Labeling refers to the placement of primary and, if applicable, subsidiary hazard labels on the outer package. DOT marking and labeling requirements are contained, respectively, in Subparts D and E in Part 172 of the HMR.